Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Dodge Journey RT and I will show you how to enter the dealer service mode. This video should apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2019. If this video is helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, to enter the hidden dealer mode, all you have to do, you have to press and keep holding the both driver's side temperature buttons at the same time and the front defroster. So I'll try to do it with one hand. So press them and keep holding them. And after maybe 5 seconds, you will get to the dealer mode. Okay, and here it is. Okay, so in this mode you can see part numbers and software versions and things like that. So if you select the first option, you can see what's here. Second option is the AR info, something similar about the satellite radio, traveling subscription. And then grace note, I'm not even sure what's that. And the best you can do, try to access this menu on your own vehicle and see if you have same options like me, or even if you can make some changes there. But yeah, that's how you access it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.